Come on, Harry. Yeah, I see you blinking. I see you blinking. I blink at you too. Come on, mister. Come on. Join in. Join in. Join in. Don't you attack, Ninja. Share. 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 Ninja. You're not enemies. Sue moved. That wasn't Ninja. Sue moved. She spotted that. You're going to go and follow Sue? You can go and follow Sue. Go on a night with Sue. No fighting. No fighting. Come on, you two. Come on. Peace and love. Peace and love. I know you want to. I know you want to make friends. But one of you has got to make the first move and stop being so jumpy. One of you's got to do it. Come on. Come on. Peace and love. Peace and love. You both let me pick you up. You both let me feed you. You both let me stroke you. You both let me kiss you. You both let me rub you. And you both let me brush you. So, you're the same. You're both lovely. Go on, Ninja. Go and make friends. Please go and make friends. He's a poor old man with nowhere to go. And he's asked us if he could come and stay with us. And I've said yes. So you need to say yes as well. Come on. Keep trying. Keep trying. He's deaf. You make him jump. But he'll get used to us soon. And everything will be rosy. I hope. Poor lad. Poor Harry. I feel so sorry for him. And we really do want him to be... Has he gone? Oh no, there he is. Hello. Hello, beautiful boy. Hello, beautiful boy. Yeah, you come to me now. We do love you. We do love you. This is your home. You just got to make friends with those two boys, okay? I know it's difficult. I know it's difficult. You've been beaten up in the past, haven't you? By other cats. I can see you have. All your scars and marks. But not by these two. And not by me. No one's going to hurt you. No one is ever going to hurt you here. Okay, Harry? No one. And Ninja Marvel, just not quite sure if you're going to hurt them. Although I know you're not. So let's just try and work it out. Come on, let's try and work it out. Come on, you can stay. You're welcome. Let's make friends with the other two. And I'll do my best to make sure that they make friends with you, you beautiful boy. You beautiful, poor, beaten up old boy. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. You really have been through the rings, haven't you? You poor little lad. Oh, we love you so much. You're safe now. No more scrapping outdoors. You stay in here and you will be safe. No more scrapping. No more fear. No more fighting. And no more being bullied, alright? You're safe. You beautiful, beautiful boy. Okay? Good boy. Beautiful boy. He has seriously been through hell and lived a life of hell on his own, fending for himself. But you're not alone anymore. You are not alone anymore. You beautiful boy. Got two other boys. They're going to stick up for you. And I'm going to stick up for the three of you. And then Sue's going to stick up for me and you three. You three. Oh, I feel like I've got a lump in my throat. You stay here. You stay. You stay, mister. You stay. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Yeah, I love you too. See that blink? Oh, he blinked. He blinked. He gave Sue a nose bonk the other day. I got a nose bonk off him. And just now he blinked at me. Oh, if only Jackson Galaxy could see this. He's too busy. Jackson Galaxy, you taught me this. I didn't have cats a year ago. Now I've got 3. And I've followed every word of your advice. When I got my first Ninja, my second Marvel, and now this beautiful stray. He was nothing but skin and bone when he turned up asking for help. 4 months later, look at him now. He's relaxed. He's staying with us. And he blinked at me. You blinked at me, didn't you, beautiful boy? Yes, you did. Oh, I blinked back. And he went, okay. Oh, relax now. I think we might be getting a success story. I truly hope so. Because you're beautiful, Harry. You're beautiful. Yeah, oh, bless you. You're beautiful. You go nunite. You go nunite there. We'll see you soon. You beautiful boy.